In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view and manage formatting issues in HubSpot so you can make sure your emails look clean, professional, and ready to send. Formatting problems can affect deliverability, design consistency, and overall user experience, so it's important to know exactly where to find these issues and how to fix them quickly. Whether you're creating marketing emails for campaigns, newsletters, or automated workflows, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and marketing tips. Now let's jump right in. First, you need to open the record where you want to review formatting issues. In this example, we're working with a marketing email. From your HubSpot dashboard, go to the top navigation menu, click on Marketing, and then select Email. This will take you to your email dashboard, where you can see all your existing drafts and published emails. Either create a new email or open an existing draft that you want to review. Once you're inside the email editor, you can begin customizing your content, adding images, editing text, inserting buttons, and adjusting layouts according to your needs. Make all the changes you want before reviewing formatting issues. This is important because the formatting checker will analyze the current version of your email. Next, choose a template if you haven't already. HubSpot provides a variety of pre-designed templates that are optimized for responsiveness and performance. Select a template that fits your campaign goals. After choosing your template, edit the content fully. Update the subject line, preview text, body content, links, images, personalization tokens, and any required legal information, like your company address or unsubscribe link. Once everything looks ready, move your cursor to the top right and hover over the Preview and Send option. When you do this, a dialog box will appear. Inside this dialog box, HubSpot automatically lists any detected issues with your email. These can include missing subject lines, broken links, accessibility warnings, missing personalization fallback values, image formatting concerns, or required compliance elements that haven't been added. Now, this is where the real time-saving feature comes in. Instead of manually searching through your email to find the problem, you can simply click on the listed issue inside that dialog box. When you click it, HubSpot will automatically take you directly to the section of the email where the problem exists. For example, if there's a broken link in a button, clicking the warning will jump straight to that button module. If you forgot to add preview text, it will redirect you to the email settings area. This makes it incredibly easy to identify, review, and fix each issue one by one. After correcting the problem, you can return to Preview and Send to confirm that the warning has been cleared. Repeat this process until all formatting and compliance issues are resolved. Once everything is fixed and no more issues are listed, your email is ready for testing or scheduling. Always send yourself a test email first to double-check formatting across devices like desktop and mobile. That extra step ensures your audience receives a polished message. And that's it. That's how you view and manage formatting issues in HubSpot quickly and efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy HubSpot guides in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.